Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 10 decimal fractions in that exercise 10D. So let's discuss homework answers first. First question, in that F 2.008 into 150 you will get the answer 301.2. Then H 0.487 into 240, the answer is 116.88. Then I 50.05 into 50, the answer is 2502.5. Then J 100.01 into 200, the answer is 20,002. Okay, then second question F 0.1 into 1 into 0.1, it is 0.01. Then G 3.48 into 16 into 0.5, the answer is 27.840. Now third question, if 324 into 12 equal to 3888, then find the product of each of the following without actually performing the multiplication. Okay, so 324 into 12, it is given 3888. You need to find the product of these given without performing multiplication. No need to do the multiplication, it is already given here. So 3.24 into 12. So in order to do this, we need to know what is 324 into 12. It is already given 3888. But here point after point 2 digits are coming. 1, 2. After point 2 digits. So here also after decimal point 2 digits should come. So you can count from right side 1, 2. So the decimal point will come here. Okay, so the answer is 3.24 into 12. The answer is 38.88. Okay. Next to B, 32.4 into 12. Here also, in order to find this product, we need to know what is 324 into 12. It is given 3888. Okay. Now, after decimal point, 1 digit is coming here. So, in the answer also, after decimal point, 1 digit should come. So the answer is 388.8. Okay. Next is C, 0.324 into 12. So first we know 324 into 12, it is 3888. After decimal point, here 3 decimal places are coming. So in the answer also 3 decimal places should come after decimal point. So 1, 2, 3. Decimal point will come here. 3.888 is the answer. Okay. Next D, 0.00324 into 12. So 324 into 12, it is 3888. After decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 decimal places are coming. So here also 5 decimal places should come. So starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to make it 5, you can put 0 and before this point will come. Okay. Now before decimal point you can put 0. So the answer will be 0.03888. Okay, this is the answer. So in the question, here you can see 5 decimal places are coming. In the answer also 5 decimal places. Okay. Here in the question it is given 614.6 into 9 equal to 5531.4. So here after decimal point 1 digit is coming. So in the answer also after decimal point 1 digit is coming. Now A 61.46 into 9. Here after decimal point 2 digits are coming. So in the answer also after decimal point 2 digits should come. So 553.14. 553.14. Okay, this will be the answer of 61.46 into 9. Okay, next is 0.6146 into 9. After decimal point 4 digits are coming. So 5, 5, 5.5314. Starting from here, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.5314 will be the answer. Next is C, 6146 into 9. Here, after decimal point is not coming. Okay, so you can write the answer without decimal point. So, 55,314. This will be the answer. Okay. D, 6.146 into 9. So, here after decimal point 3 digits are coming. So, in the answer also after decimal point 3 digits should come. So, the answer will be 55.314. Okay. Next, E, 0.06146 into 9. Here after decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are coming. So, in the answer also after decimal point 5 digits should come. 55314. Here 5 digit. These digits should come after decimal point. Before decimal point you can write 0. So 0.55314 will be the answer. Okay. The number of decimal places in the product. These are the product. Okay. The number of decimal places in the product is equal to the number of decimal places in the multiplicand. Okay. Next, fifth question. If 2.48 into 6 equal to 14.88, then find out the product without actually doing the multiplication when 2.48 is multiplied by A, 60. So here in the question it is given 2.48 into 6 equal to 14.88. Okay. So from this you can find what is 248 into 6. It will be 1488. Okay. If this is written without, if 2.48 is written without decimal point, it will be 248. So when that is multiplied by 6, you will get 1488. Okay. So if 248 into 6 equal to 1488, what will be 248 into 60? It will be 14,880. A 0 will come at the end. Okay. Now here you need to find 2.48 into 60. After point 2 decimal places are coming. So in this product after point 2 decimal places should come. Okay, we should take this, not 248 into 6. Here it is 60. Okay, so from the question 2.48 into 6 equal to 14.88. You can write 248 into 6 equal to 1488. Okay, if 248 into 6 equal to 1488, 248 into 60 will be 14,880. Okay, so 2.48 into 60 will be 148.80. After decimal point, here 2 decimal places are there. So in the answer also after decimal point 2 decimal places should be there. So the answer is 148.80. ഇവിടെ 6 അല്ല 60 ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ ഇൻറ്റു 6 എന്നാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ അതിന്ന് നമുക്ക് ഇൻറ്റു 60 2.48 ഇൻറ്റു 6 ഈക്വൽ ടു 14.88 എന്ന് തന്നത് വെച്ചിട്ട് 248 ഇൻറ്റു 6 1488 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, സോ 248 ഇൻറ്റു 60 വിൽ ബി 14,880. ഇവിടെ ഒരു 0 വരുന്നേ കൊണ്ട് in the product also 10 you have to write. Okay, now you can find 2.48 into 60 will be 148.80. Decimal point ന് ശേഷം ഇവിടെ 2 places. So product ലും decimal place ന് ശേഷം 2 places, 2 digits. Okay, next B, 600. So if 248 into 60 is 14,880, what will be 248 into 600? Put 2 zeros. 148800. Okay. ഇവിടെ 2 0 വരുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് 600 വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിലും 2 zeros എൻഡിൽ വരും. ഓക്കെ, 248 into 600 will be 1,48,800. So what will be 2.48 into 600? 2 decimal places are coming. After decimal point, 2 digits. So in the answer also after decimal point, 2 digits. So 1488.00. 0.00. These zeros has no value. So 1488 will be the answer. Okay, ഇവിടെ 600 വെച്ചാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിലും 2 സീറോസ് വരും. ഇവിടെ 2 സീറോസ് വരുന്നേ കൊണ്ട് 248 into 6 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1488. 248 into 60 പറയുമ്പോൾ ഒരു സീറോ എൻഡിൽ വരും. അപ്പോൾ product will be 14,880. Now into 600 വരുമ്പോൾ 1,48,800. Okay. So പോയിന്റിന് ശേഷം 2 ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ്, 2 ഡെസിമൽ പ്ലേസ് 2.48 into 600 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിലും ആഫ്റ്റർ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് 2 digit should come. So the answer will be 1488. Next is C, 0.6. So 2.48 into 0.6. Okay. So you know 248 into 6. It is 1488. Question, from the question it is given 2.48 into 6 equal to 14.88. So from that you will get 248 into 6, it will be 1488. Question il thannikkunna 2.48 into 6 14.88 na. So decimal point illada adu ezhudumbo 248 into 6 will be 1488. You need to find 2.48 into 0.6. So ഇവിടെ 248 into 6 ആണ് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. So the answer will be 1488. But in the multiplicand there are 2 decimal places. In the multiplier there is 1 decimal place. So product in after decimal point, how many digits should come? 2 plus 1. Sum of the decimal, the total of the decimal places in the multiplicand and multiplier. Okay, in the product 3 decimal places, 2 plus 1, 3 decimal places should come. So the answer will be 1.488. Okay. Next D, 0.06. So 2.48 into 0.06. You need to find this. So from the question you will get 248 into 6 equal to 1488. Okay. This question namukku kittunnana 248 into 6 it is 1488. So what will be 2.48 into 0.06? So 248 into 6. That we need to do here. Okay, it is 1488. In the multiplicand there are 2 decimal places. In the multiplier also there are 2 decimal places. Okay, so in the product there should be 2 plus 2, 4 decimal places. Okay, so starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So point will come here. Here you can write 0. So the answer is 0.1488. Okay. E, 6000. So here 2.48 into 6000. This you need to find. From the question 2.48 into 6 equal to 14.88. You will get 248 into 6. It is 1488. Okay. So what will be 248 into 6000? It will be 1488. Here 3 zeros are there. So you can write 3 zeros. Okay. 14,88,000. You need to find 2.48 into 6000. So here in the question, in the multiplicand, there are 2 decimal places. So in the product also 2 decimal places should be there. So 14880.00. These 2 zeros will come after decimal point. That means 14,880. After decimal point, if zeros are coming, means that zeros have no value. So the answer is 14,880. Now do the 6th question as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.